Alright, we're in Pacific, Missouri. I was here from October 2019. Came back today on my trip to Arizona, coming through St. Louis. Here's the ATCS monitor. They did have something lined up into Pacific off out here, but it looks like it dropped the connection, so not sure. I'm not really planning to stick around here a long time. Just stopped to grab a bite to eat, take a break from driving for a half hour. So this is the back. You got the BN caboose back here. Too bad it wasn't a Frisco caboose or even a MoPac caboose, but it is what it is. I guess the BN took over the Frisco in 80-ish, 1980 Pacific. And so out here in Pacific, Missouri. Just a quick stop on the way out to Arizona. Be down in southwest Missouri later this afternoon. Hopefully I'll see some train action down that way.